Welcome to the Comp Expert Review. We are reviewing the Zmodo Smart Wi-Fi Doorbell today. This is a product that you attach to your doorbell wiring system. The doorbell allows you to receive the ring on your cell phone. Okay, we're going to see what the lag time is between the actual pressing of the doorbell button versus the response on the cell phone when it rings you. Okay, in the next text we're going to see what the lag time is like when we're using the RealTime Display. So it did take a couple seconds before you could see the broom in the smartphone itself. In this case I have a Galaxy Note 3, which I'll be demonstrating the function. It's called the MeShare application program, and I already have it installed. We're looking at my front door here. So, there's no one out there right now, but if there was someone standing out there at this moment, I should theoretically be able to see them. So it does have an event log, and you can review the actual activity. Now, in some cases, some of the activity is a bit goofy in the sense that it'll say motion was detected, and I'll give you an example here. So it said that there was motion detected, but there was actually no motion. There was no one there. But you can kind of see in this image here that there was some sunlight that was reflecting off the door. This was towards the later part of the day, and that sunlight may have confused the actual motion detection system. Now, as far as the motion detector itself, it is not adjustable on this system, and that is a big downfall, because if you've ever used other type of security camera systems, you'll know that you can do quite a bit of adjustment as far as zones and things like that, and lower or increase the sensitivity. That's not an option with this MeShare program. You can't do that, unfortunately. So you're just kind of left at the mercy of the programming in the program itself.